So, what is philanthropy anyway? It's helping other human beings through your contributions or your efforts. That's it. That can mean money or it can mean time. And these days, when you have wealth, it means giving back in a way that can help the world. I actually just got back from a tour to Kenya where I watched a bunch of people who had participated in a philanthropic effort get to see the fruit of their work. We got to see entire villages that had been built, infrastructure that had been created, where before the women were walking 8 hours each day to get water, each way to get water, and where the girls were stopping going to school as soon as they started getting their periods because there was no water for them to wash or keep clean and no supplies to take care of them either. And all of that is changing, which will help increase education for women, which helps to increase education for men as well, which helps to reduce child marriages, which helps to reduce villages' reliance on the outside and make them self-sufficient. It makes a huge difference. By the way, if you're interested in that particular organization, feel free to donate to the Unstoppable Foundation, which is an incredibly amazing company.